You're not broken, but you are untrained, and that's the difference. Because every time you release too fast, you think it's just how you are. It's not. It's a lack of control. And she notices, even if she never says it. That moment after, when everything shifts, you feel it. So you avoid it. You distract yourself. You hope it changes on its own. It won't. Because this isn't mental. It's physical. You need strength. You need control. You need to hold your load. I didn't understand this either back in my early 40s. Now I'm 56, and I have more control than I ever did in my 30s. Because I trained using one method, load hold training. Add discipline, some retention, everything changes. Your energy, your presence, and she feels that immediately. You're not broken, brother. You just haven't trained. I put the exact method into a 13-minute video. The link is in my bio.
Skull!